How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a video for you from a couple weeks before walleye opener here in Minnesota. My father-in-law and I just launched his boat, and this is my very first open water video, so still dialing everything in. It's not a long video, but I figured I'd capture it. Hopefully you find it entertaining, and what worked that day for crappie, I'll have linked down below as well. So here's to a great open water season. Let's jump in. Thanks for watching. That's right. Come over to John so he can dig up our bait for us. This is great. We'll get this guy out there a little further. Let's see. Oh yeah, my jig's so small. I'm not gonna be able to really see it, but I'm about 3 feet down is what this is saying.
Is there still fish around here?
Oh yeah, they're swimming through.
Shallow?
Yeah, like anywhere from 3 to 10 feet down. Get one?
Can't even feel it.
Crappie!
There we go.
There it is. Crappie number 1 for the day. Nice job. You're killing it.
That's what we're putzing with around
That's
here.
what we're putzing with.
I don't think I've ever caught one that small.
Fish on. Same size as what you had. My first crappie. Oh, we got one. A little bit bigger.
Oh, that's a nice one. That's a keeper, dude.
Well, that'd be an eater if you were eating them.
That's a beaut. Better measure that guy.
It's not that big. It's probably...
That's a keeper.
7.5, 8 inches.
Definitely a keeper.
Yeah, are you keeping them? No.
Not today.
But if we were eating them, this would be one to go in the bucket, probably. I don't like to keep under 9, but he's probably 8.
I'll need more than that.
Oh yeah, 9 1/4. Look at that. Nice.
I knew it was bigger than that.
Heck, that's sweet. I'll take it. Well, that's nice. Caught one. We got a little gold jig, little tungsten, one of my ice fishing tungstens, a little pink plastic and waxy. Nice. We'll take it. First day out in the boat for the year. Can't complain. Let's see what he's got.
Little sunny is my guess. Didn't bite like a crappie. Can't even feel it. Oh, there, I got a little.
Oh boy. Big fish of the day. Got him. Feels like a crappie. See what it is.
Nice.
Another nice little crappie.
Probably the same one now. That's an 8.
That's an 8.
Sticker on the board. I'm
Small little
calling
guy.
it 8.
John's calling it an 8. Let's see what it is. I think he's right. Go ahead.
8 9 8.5.
8.5, 8 3/4. Nice. Letting her go. We're not keeping today. Jeez. That's a lot of wood. Here we go. Oh, sunny. Little bluegill. Oh, he even got my rip the plastic. Put a new plastic on. Rip the head right off. There we go. Oh, what's John got?
Little guy. Can't even feel it.
Your drag it's not reeling in very quick either. Maybe that reel. Oh yeah.
Monster crop.
5 inches?
I went deeper though, did you see that?
I did.
And
it
I
worked.
got a bite right away. That might be
the trick. I'm gonna throw some more of these on. These are the micro nuggies, super soft plastic tail, pink. See if we can get them to work again. A couple 9-inch crappie liked it, so we may as well put it back on, huh?
Is that what you had on with the 9?
Yep. Little gold tungsten jig with a pink little plastic micro nuggie and waxy. It's crazy that I'm surprised you're not getting bigger ones to hit that thing.
Yeah, it's not my drag. This is like a 40-year-old reel.
Oh. It just reels in so slow.
That's what it seems like.
Like I look and it's just slowly coming in. It's like, is the fish taking it or?
An old Zebco 404, probably from the 70s.
Gotta love Zebcos. I've got a bunch. As you saw, we didn't get in anything crazy. We had a lot of fun, and I got some work to do to get you guys some better footage out on the water this year. But I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you for watching the channel, taking time out of your day to support me in this channel as we grow. I really appreciate it. So if you want to see more open water footage this summer and fall, please hit that like button to support me. And until next time, take it easy.